Hi people, just letting you know another bot that's going to be introduced inside the Darren's Trading Academy is the one here, which is called the Power of Gold EA. So this is Power of Gold EA. Basically, this is a nifty little bot. The Power of Gold EA's automated trading system is designed specifically for trading gold. Okay, so this is what you're going to use on XAU-USD on MetaTrader 4 platform. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview on this, and then I'm going to take you over and show you how you're going to set it all up, etc. Okay, so if you've already got this bot, then this information is going to help you, because it's going to give you a little bit of information of what you can do to optimize it. If you haven't, and you'll think to yourself, well, do I really want to be paying, you know, quite a lot of money for these bots when I'm actually selling them? Well, I'm not selling them, to be honest with you. I'm selling my own trading academy, which gives you access to a method which shows you how to make monthly income every single month, but also you get to actually have access to these bots, which is going to generate you lots of money in the future. Which is included inside my trading academy. Okay, there are hundreds of bots that are going to be added inside the trading academy. I think we're at number 40 now, which are and this one is number 35, module 35. So the Power of Gold EA overview is platform MetaTrader 4. Its primary asset is gold. Trading style is to trend following and breakout strategy system. Risk level is customizable. It's designed for high profit potential and built-in safety measures. The key features of the Power of Gold EA is optimized for gold trading. It's tailored to analyze and trade gold markets. It uses unique algorithms for the XAU-USD, and it relies on volatility and price behavior. Trend and breakout detection uses a combination of trend following the breakout strategies, taking advantage of both trend and consolidating markets with adjustable risk management. The lot size is based on account size or user defined. So this means is, obviously I'm running on 100k accounts. I would probably set this to a 10k account, okay, because I like to have several bots running at the same time, and then I can work out roughly what they're doing. It has a stop loss and take profit, which is configurable according to traders' risk tolerance. Trailing stop allows for locking in profits during strong trends, with adjusting the loss that the trade moves in your favor. The news filter for some versions of this EA comes with a news filter that stops trading during high impact news and economic events, which can help avoid volatile price swings in gold. You're always going to get price swings in gold. We've got one right now where both of my accounts, my Darwin accounts, are, with both of them put together, around about 80k in drawdown. I don't need to worry, because I know that my Darwin X0 account, I will withstand these drawdowns. It's not like a prop firm where it's going to get burnt out. So the suggested settings, again, this is only what you suggest. So the lot size start with 0.01, which I always say to you, with $1,000 in the account balance. Time frames, commonly recommended time frames include 15-minute and 1 hour time frames, with a stop loss of 100 to 200 pips depending on the gold market volatility. Take profit is 150 to 300 pips, allowing trades to capture larger moves. Risk level, keep risks per trade level around 1 to 2% due to gold vitality, and trailing stop enabled with a trailing distance of 50 to 100 pips for optimal profit lock-in. So what this means is that when you start to get your profit, you're having a stop loss, so if you fall back, you still make 50% in your profits. So there is a disadvantages and advantages, which I will go into, okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to move over and I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So the advantages and disadvantages of Power of Gold EA is gold specific algorithm. This EA is tailored for gold, making it better suited for XAU-USD specific price dynamics. It's trend capture effective at identifying and capitalizing on strong trends, which is essential in the volatile market like gold. Adjustable perimeters. Traders can risk levels, lot sizes, and use stop loss adjustments to control trade exposure. Now the disadvantages: high volatility. Gold rapid price changes can lead to larger drawdowns if not properly managed. Manual supervision is needed, okay, due to gold's response to global news. Some manual monitoring or disabling during key events is recommended. Tips for success with power of gold EA: avoid high impact news. Gold is sensitive to economic data releases, so consider pausing the EA during major news events, Federal Reserve announcements, non-farm payroll announcements. Okay, backtest and use a demo account first. On an MT4 strategy test to see how the EA performs under different conditions. Test it on a demo account to understand its risk reward profile. Adjust settings for volatility. Gold volatility can vary significantly. Adjusting the stop loss and take profits levels based on current conditions can improve performance. So conclusion, the power of gold EA offers a specialized approach to trading gold on MT4, okay, combining breakout and trend following strategies with gold specific parameters. For traders focused on gold, this EA can be a valuable tool, particularly if managed with sound risk practices and the attention to economic news events. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head over and we're going to set this up. So basically what you do is you'll find that this very video will be here where you'll be watching this next to show you exactly how to do this. You're also going to get your hands on a cheat sheet, Power of Gold EA, which I'm not going to disclose because it will be unfair for all my Academy members which they get automatically. And also you click on download, upload 35, which is going to give you the actual Power of Gold Expert Advisor. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to head over now to a MetaTrader 4 account, and I'm going to set up the Power of Gold, which I think I may have already done. So we're just going to go over here, we're going to click on here, and we're going to look and see if the Power of Gold has already been set up. So I'm just having a little look at this now. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you and set this up for you. It's very, very simple to do. We're just going to drag this across like so. We're going to drag this across like so. We're going to go to XAU-USD. I'm going to drag this across. You're going to see that there's lots and lots of things on here, but we're not too worried about that. We're going to click on here, and then I'm going to... There we go. So we're like this. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put the bot on here. Okay, so you'll find that yours will be in a WinZip folder. So all you would basically need to do is you would just need to get access to your WinZip folder, and then you would open this up. Once you've got your bot, you would then be able to put this into action. So I'm just looking now to see if I can find the Power of Gold. So I'm just going to look. I've got quite a few bots which will be, if you see any of these bots that you like, you've got to understand that these bots will be added in. Okay, so you can see that this is Power of Gold EA, which is right here. So I'm just going to grab this one here, which is a Power of Gold MT4 copy, and we're just going to pop this into here. So the way you do this, okay, just in case you're aware or you would like to be aware, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's use a different sub. Let's use this one here. Let's use a Robo. Okay, in case. Oh, here we go. This is the Power of Gold, which is right here. Okay, so you can see that this is actually working as we speak. Power of Gold. Okay, news filter is active, no news, trade active, and then it's got the buy and sell points here. It's got the drawdown, etc. It's waiting, so it's now looking for a certain point to get into the market. And if we looked at the trades which we could be seeing, which is in profitable margins, you'll see here that the XAU-USD, okay, at 0.30, this was placed using this particular bot, made $232.54. Okay, so you know this is a profitable bot which is working quite well. Now let's show you how to set the bot up. So basically you go inside your MT4 platform, you want to go to the top left hand corner, click on File, go to Open Data Folder, wait till the folder opens, go to MQL4, then you want to click on Experts, and then you want to right mouse click and you want to click on Paste, and this will paste in the Power of Gold MT4, which is right here. Okay, and also what you need to do is add your indicators as well, which is very straightforward. We need to go here. If we click on here, Go to downloads, and then you're going to extract your file, okay, or your zipped folder, which is this one here. Darren's The Power of Gold Zip. And what you would do is you double click on here and open this up. You're going to double click on here. You're then going to take the LP entry, okay, and the C timer. So basically you can just hover your mouse across with your left mouse button down, right mouse click and copy. Okay, once you've done this, you're then going to go over to wherever you've installed or put your Power of Gold MT4 in. We're going to go across here. We're going to go to Open Data folder. And then we're going to go to MQL4. You're going to go to indicators, and then you're going to right mouse click and you're going to paste them in. Okay. And then you're going to see this one here, which is the C timer. And also there will be another one that's in here as well. Okay. Which is LP entry. Okay, once you've got these two entries, it's going to give you two indicators that are going to be present within inside your trading bot, which is here. It's going to give you time after news. It's going to give you spread. It's also going to give you the power. So it's showing you the power of like the bulls and the bears, if you like, and it's showing you where in motion the actual trade is going to go. So it's giving you a few more indicators that the bot will use before it decides to take a trade. Okay, so I just wanted to add that in for you. Okay, once you've done that, then all you need to do is close that down. Okay, because you've done that, so that you can close this down. So you just close this down like so. You then want to make sure, something which I should tell you about, is if this is the first time you've installed a bot, you need to go to tools. Okay, you need to go to options, and then you need to click on trade, expert advisors, and then you click on allow automated trading, and then you want to click OK. Okay, and then auto trading will come up with a green little play button, and also you'll find that your bot, which it shows you right here, is smiling. Okay, if the bot's smiling, this normally represents that the bot is active and it's doing exactly what it wants to do. Now I'm just going to take you over to the set file. There is a set file which is available, which I will be giving you access to only to people that are inside the Darren's Trading Academy, because I have profitable set files that are all set up for you. So here's the inputs. So it gives you an idea of the set file, etc. At the moment that this is set for a manager 5k, the max trade that it will do is 35. I'm not going to go too much into this, but I'm just giving you a little bit of a rundown of what you can see. So there's quite a lot of parameters within inside this bot which you can play around with, and I do explain this inside the cheat sheet, which is available inside module 35. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to jump yourself and get into this, the Power of Gold MT4 fix, you notice I'm using it on XAU-USD. This is just something that I like to do. This is why XAU-USD, which is this one here, okay, made $232.55. I seem to get on better with XAU-USD with this particular bot than XAU-USD, which it is designed for. Okay, so this is the very reason why when you jump into my trading academy, I'm already testing these, so you don't have to. I'm already buying these, so you don't have to, and you have access to these, plus hundreds of other bots that you can start to use, plus a method where I show you how to grow an income very, very steadily, using special strategies that I teach you, and also I teach you how to manual trade as well. So if it's something you're interested in, all you need to do is click on the link below. It's inside the YouTube description. If you're watching this in the Telegram group, you just need to go to Darren's Trading Academy, click on number 35, and this will give you access to the Power of Gold MT4. All the very best until my next video. Thank you very much. Bye now.